Card Tutorial Interactive. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀 and sign in or create a new account. Once inside the dashboard, click Choose a Starting Point and next browse through the available templates. Select one that matches your project or company profile style, then open in the editor. In the editor, use the left panel to manage layout and elements. To make your card more interactive, click the plus icon and add elements such as buttons, forms, or links. For example, add a button that connects to an external site or a form that collects user emails for your newsletter. Next, open the Settings panel on the left and adjust interactions. You can set animations like fade or slide, add hover effects to buttons. To organize your content, use containers and grids. This helps structure your company profile clearly with sections for About, Services, and Contact. Once finished, click Publish in the top right corner. Then you can choose a free 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗂𝘀𝗀 subdomain or connect a custom domain if you have one.